where we are going to drive the Ferrari or a Lamborghini. One of this beautiful beasts. You can see this Lamborghini.
They had like 3 different orders to get through because the pictures kept getting taken.
Cool.
Sold and things. And, like,
Are you part
Pictures.
of the group?
yeah, I know.
So Anu, are you really excited?
Yes, very excited. I'm going to drive a Lamborghini and it's going to be my first experience. I'm quite nervous, but let's try it out.
Yes. Which color?
Unfortunately, Lamborghini is black.
Unfortunately,
I would have loved
yeah.
it. It was yellow.
Anu, you don't drive like this, huh? Okay.
What's your name?
Annika.
Annika. My name is Steve.
Hi, Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You're from? Where are you from?
Come from Sweden, but originally Indian.
Okay. It's your first time? Lamborghini?
Definitely, absolutely.
Welcome.
With me? Yeah, I know Fred.
Give me a bag. On my seat. Okay.
No,
Just
please,
it's automatic gearbox. Okay. Just you need just your right foot, brake and accelerate. Which car do you drive in your country?
Mercedes.
Automatic?
Yes,
It's the same.
Yeah, okay.
It's a car, not a plane. Huh? Okay? Just brake and accelerate. Okay? And your hand always like that on the steering wheel. Okay? It's automatic. Just brake, accelerate. That's all. But you have a supercar with 560 horsepower. Four-wheel drive.
Crazy.
Is more safe.
More safe?
Yeah.
So
For me.
I don't know about you.
With your wife. For me, it's more safe. I'm good.
So Anu, you all set?
Yes, excited and nervous at the same time.
Don't forget your signal when you turn left and right. Left and right. This is a pedal shift. You don't need this. Okay? That's all.
Perfect. Yeah.
Great. Have you put on your seatbelt?
Yes, it's here.
Okay. All the best.
No, I want the ground.
How do you feel?
Excited.
Accelerating? You want to give a slide? Slide it. Oh, it's still brake, okay. Engine.
Yeah, baby!
That was amazing.
Amazing, huh? Okay, cool.
Anu, how was it?
It was superb. Oh my god. He really helped me push the accelerator ahead.
So now I'm going to be driving this beast. Door, it's a nice thick door.
How was the seat? Very.
Really tight. There you go. Ferrari! Come and show this. A little bit of a... This needs to be this way. And the windows, the machine, it's an animal. Perfect. Can you open the door for me? I can open the door from inside.
Non, mais ils veulent pas de la jaune. Pas beau. C'est pas beau, jaune. Here.
You can see the engine.
Just the seat.
Sim, say hi. सिमसन डर डर के चला Where is he going?
I was driving at 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers? And the guy in front of me is not moving. I don't know what was wrong with him. He was driving a Ferrari. The guy in the other side Ferrari. I'm going to ask him what happened to him. But it's car. I could feel the license car. How do I open it?
How was your experience?
What a drive. It was very good driving around the streets with a Ferrari. And I felt like a star. People were actually taking photographs. because they could actually see the speed, 30 kilometers per hour. He's driving a Ferrari. But it was awesome. Really loved it. Wait, I'll take a
You
video.
are my super driver.
You drove at 100 and I was driving at 30.
The best driver in the south of France.
Amazing.
On the south.
One more.
Thank you
Thank
very
you so
much.
much.